Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, I'm definitely looking at this as possibly being a wave 4, which I think will last many, many months, probably taking us down to at least a 50% level before we go up again, possibly for that wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think there's a good chance this is a wave A, but I think there's a pretty good chance that this is actually going to start making its way up at some point, maybe even today, since we have a lot of news today for a wave B, and possibly at some point going down for a wave C. Like I said, this whole pattern is like a weekly, monthly time frame pattern, so it potentially is going to take 6 months, a year, maybe even to play out. So going down to the daily time frame, I still think there's a good chance that the wave A could be already complete. This could be like 3 waves of A. This could be like 3 waves of B. Then we go up for like 5 waves of C, which would probably take us up to one of these fib levels, which really would be any one of those fib levels for an ABC of wave B, which is all part of that wave 4 on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, if this really is an ABC crutcher, which it does look like it is, it looks like impulsive down, it looks like 3 waves up, it looks like impulsive down, then we should get a Fibonacci bounce, we should get a nice clear break of structure. If and when that happens, that should be a really nice long opportunity for the continuation of this uptrend. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we do have a lot of dollar news coming out today, which definitely does affect the yen pairs. So if this does go up, if it does break structure, at that point, I would for sure start looking for longs at the end of the first pullback I see and every pullback from that point on. And also, if it doesn't do that, we should definitely be looking for shorts because the trend is technically down. So if today's news does not cause a break of structure, then actually continue to look for shorts at the end of every pullback we see. So we definitely have a couple scenarios. If it breaks structure, become a buyer. If it doesn't break structure, continue to look for sells at the end of every single pullback you see for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.